We need 12 pieces of wood at equal lengths. We're going to turn these 4 pieces into 12 pieces. All right. Now to make squares. Oops. A little bit of glue. A little bit. It'll be just fine. A little bit adds character. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. It's a good thing I'm not out here barefoot. That would have hurt.
What was you saying, honey?
It's a good thing I'm not out here barefoot. That would have hurt.
Good thing you're not out here barefoot. That would have hurt?
Yes.
Huh. Because,
Dang, good thing I'm not out here barefoot.
yeah. Yeah, good, darn good thing you're not out here barefoot. Darn good thing.
Class, we have a failure to engage.
How that retreat is.
Just the other side. Yeah. Do you love it? Is it what you envisioned?
No, it's not what I envisioned, but I do love it.
It's gonna work, right?
It's gonna be amazing.
It's lightweight. Do you know what we're doing?
I know what we're doing.
I know what we're doing too.
We're making a light box. What kind of light box, Boof?
Is there more than one kind? It's a box that has light in it. I don't understand the question. We're making a light box. For those of you who don't know, that's a box with light in it. I don't know any other light box.
Google it.
Thanks. You mamby-pamby, scared of a little garage work. $6 clearance fabric from Joann's. It's in a cream color and a matte finish. Almost a leather style. Almost. It was working. We picked the cream instead of the white, hoping it would have less flashback with our cameras. Just gonna take this happy yard fabric and drape it in our box. The object here is to be able to place items to be photographed with a crisp, clean background. The next thing missing is a light. Handy dandy Amazon desk lamp. This allows us to take an item, place it in the light box, and photograph it from various angles using various lighting options. Some of you might be asking, why are you photographing a wooden moose? And let me tell you, my beautiful wife, my beautiful, talented wife, has taken to selling her wooden creations on Etsy. And if you'd like, you can see a couple of those in our new light box. However, our initial photos we weren't happy with, so we were able to turn them from this into this, using this. So, link to my beautiful wife Etsy shop in the description and all that good stuff. Please feel free to check it out. Send us some love. Let us know what you think. And if you have any requests for any of these cute items, please let us know. She's all the time pressing her luck and seeing what she can create. Can't forget one of my very favorites. Do you love that? Just in time for Christmas. Guys, thanks for joining us as we tinkered in the garage and created an item that hopefully my wife gets a lot of use out of. We'll catch you next time when who knows what we'll be into.
Toodles.
How about a cockatoodles? Get it? Cockatoodle-doo? No?